Hey guys, Robbie Robs here. So let's get started. I start off by detangling my hair from the bottom first, middle, then top. I follow it using my brush to smooth out my hair even more. I bought this brush at Miniso. I honestly really love this brush. So what you want to do is grab a comb to do your parts. I split my hair into two. So I tie my top section as I will be starting with the back section first. I find this to be the easiest. I then split the back section into three parts. So I'll be using two different sized rollers. This will be the starting point and I'll work my way from there. So what you want to do is start off at the tips of your hair, pull, pull, pull and roll. Pull, pull, pull and roll, if that makes sense. I used the purple roller as my hair was longest here. I secure my roller with a roller pin. You want to make sure that you take your roller and smooth the hairs at the roots and then move it down the length of your hair to grip each and every strand. We start with our tips, smoothen it out, pull, pull, pull and roll. We pull and we pull, then we roll. And we continue this up until the end. Set the roller in place. And secure it using the roller pin. So once you've completed the rest of your hair, you can now start the drying process. You can dry your hair using any method you find easiest or comfortable. My daughter Amelia wanted to say hi. Don't forget to put your hair dryer on a cool setting if you prefer to speed dry. Once your hair is dry, you can remove the rollers, but please do make sure that your hair is 100% dry. Just look at that curl. While I'm removing the rest of my rollers, I would like for you guys to take a moment to like my video, comment down below if there's any other styles you guys would like to see, and please do press the notification bell so that you guys can know when there's a new video. Wow, look at that. I go ahead and split my curls. I use my edge brush and Clicks Every2 gel to lay my edges. I love my afro pick for some volume. And voila! Thanks for watching.